trailered in, not driven, no matching wheels. Then has the M Engineering tune, baby. Let's see what this bad boy does. First pass, baby. This M Engineering upgraded. This shift or lost boost right there. Lineup of cars here today is ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Ridiculous all the way around. Little sleeper. Number 17 right there. We got Pista, stock turbo, M4 X Drive competition. Lowered, not tuned though, he is stock. GTR tune, AMG GTR's tune, stock Huracan, 458s, another Turbo S. I'm not sure what Ferrari that is over there. Let me see the name of that older 599, I don't know, Berlinetta or 911. That's the Porsche just ran. Brooks SF90. Plaid. Couple 488s. Little first face off. First face off right here. SF90. 9697. 992, baby.
Gorgeous, I love it, but it's not.
What do you run better on my time?
Ferrari guys. They got to see their SF90. They were in heaven, so they go bye-byes. They got to see their SF90, so they're happy campers.
Almost like a Lotus, small Lotus.
Race gas, I made 835 to all four wheels.
That's how you want it now?
Yep. So 835 to all four wheels. M Engineering, tune.
Those guys are here.
Yeah,
they're pro.
And you know what, too? Is this is one of the first ones that just did a PvP.
Damn, that thing is way down in there.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Dude, this thing is like almost on the floor.
Yeah, you
see that?
Yeah, the engine's really low.
Wow.
Literally, it's way ran down.
I didn't realize it was that low in there.
Well, you've got the 3As, so it's ceramic coating on your front.
Yeah, it's not sticking on there. Oh, no, it's PPM, whole car.
Brooks and Dragtimes here. Eric invited me out to Bradenton Motorsports Park, and we've been talking for a while about doing some races. He's got a bunch of badass cars. This is one of his Turbo S. He's got a big Turbo. He didn't make it out. Didn't make it, so we will do that next time. I'm really interested to see.
As soon as he gets second yellow.
This is gonna fucking
Go.